car. For interface car, it has all the methods related to the car, like details of the car to be known, or to order a car, or so and so different methods, or which company car, different methods. A method here is in Java is referred to as a function in C, which will have some functionality. So there is an interface car. In that it has different methods, but in an interface we do not provide any functionality, the real functionality for that car. We just specify, we just define, or we just give the specification of a method and we just leave it. So an interface is the one which will have just the specifications of methods without any functionality. So an Acura company car, or Acura dealer, or Acura model person will take that car interface and he will implement the methods in that interface as his own size, whatever he needs for. And Honda company dealer or Honda person will take that same car interface and take those methods and implement in his own class whatever way he wants. Similarly, a Lexus. So that means an interface is basically, it's a specification of the method without any functionality. We are hiding the details. We are basically, abstraction, what it is doing is, we are hiding the details within those methods. We are not writing any functionality for them. We are not, just it's a declaration of a method. We are not providing any functionality within the interface. It's just the declaration of a method. And the actual details is within the implementations of those classes. So this is the best feature of abstraction, where the details will be hidden or will be hidden underneath, and only the essential features of that object will be shown. So this is the interfaces and abstract classes are the best examples of abstraction with Java. So what advantage we are getting is the persons or the objects which are exactly in need of, they'll be seeing the details but not the high level. So the next feature of OOPS is polymorphism. What does that mean is behaving differently at different contexts. So what does that mean? The best example for this is method overloading or operator overloading. So what is that is? In Java, there is a plus operator. This plus operator, when it is being taken between two integer values or two number values, then the plus operator, it acts as an addition operator. So the plus operator in between two number values, it behaves as an addition operator. So when I say 2 is a number, another 2 is a number, so when I say 2 plus 2, the plus operator between these two number values, it acts as an addition operator and we get the sum as 4. Whereas the same plus operator, if we have taken in between along with a string, so if the plus operator is being used with a string and a number, or between strings, a string is nothing but I can say collection of characters. So when it is being taken or used between a string and a number, like Java is a string, plus is the operator, 5 is a number. So when that plus operator is used within a string and a number, it acts as a concatenation operator. It appends. So for Java string, the 5 number is appended and the result is Java 5. Similarly, Java is another string and world is another string. When this plus operator is being used within these two strings, then the appending or the concatenation of both the strings results to Java word. So what is it trying to say? So the plus operator is behaving has it differently in two different contexts. At one context, it is behaving as an addition operator, and another context, it is behaving like a concatenation operator. So polymorphism concept is, it behaves differently at different contexts. So Java supports this polymorphism concept, and method overloading. So different methods, they can be behaved differently at different times with same specification. So if you don't understand these, do not worry. I'm just trying to give the feature and theoretical concept at this point. We will be seeing in detail programmatically how Java supports all these concepts and all these features through programmatically. We'll be writing number of programs in the upcoming webinars. So I'm just trying to give you the explanation or the theoretical concepts of these different features. And the next concept of OOPS is inheritance. So what is inheritance? Acquiring properties of parent to its child. So the word itself is saying inheritance, inheriting. So that means, already I have said, in Java, we'll be writing Java programs, Java source code by using class. So there is a class A with some functionality defined in it. For, I can say, like addition of two numbers is a functionality. There is another class called B, where in it has a functionality called multiplication of two numbers. So there are two classes, class A and class B. Class A has addition of two numbers and class B has subtraction of two numbers. Now, there is another class called C, where I need both the functionalities to be present in that. So, I do not need to again redefine or recreate or create a new method for addition and multiplication. I don't have to do that, because already there is a class A with addition functionality and class B with multiplication functionality. So in class C, I can just make use of already present or already existing those addition and multiplication functions or methods. How do I do that? With the help of inheritance concept. So in class C, the class C, I can say class C extends class A. So the class A functionality, which is addition, is available to class C now. So in class C, we do not have to redefine the addition functionality. We are inheriting from the parent class A. So the parent class is A here and the child class is C. So in the child class, we are just getting the features or the properties from its parent class. What is the advantage of inheritance? Reusability. We need not recode or duplicate the code everywhere. So once a functionality is available, that functionality can be reused n number of times wherever you would like to use with the help of inheritance concept. And the next concept of OOPS is data encapsulation. Now what does this mean? A wrapping up of data within methods is data encapsulation. So what is this is? So in Java, I said there is a class. Within the class, we define methods. Methods are like functions. So we define methods. Within the method,